Hi friends, good morning. My name is Pritam I am from Kolkata and enroll myself for CCIE routing switching at Network Bulls. I want to talk something about Network Bulls today because Network Bulls is the one kind of institute where you can find lots of things. I mean, if you enroll yourself for the CCIE course, then you will be getting the practical class, the theory class and the PD class. It is complete one package if you are enrolling only for the CCIE course. So it is really important if you are really passionate about networking and if you want to grow on this particular domain, then please enroll for the CCIE course. First of all, I would like to tell you that this course, basically I enrolled myself for the CCIE course. I already told you that basically this course started from CCNA, CCNP and the CCIE routing switching, and then advanced BGP, MPLS and the Nexus. And I recently placed for NBT before completion of my course, and I am really happy for that and really feeling ecstatic from my mind. And basically my CCNA trainer was Apoop sir and my CCNA practical trainer was Ali sir, and my CCNP trainer was Mr. Piyush Kataria. And one thing I would like to tell you that whatever the course you are enrolling for in the NB, it is not like that if you are very good sound knowledge in technology, then you can crack the interview. It is not like that. Communication is really important, and over here you are getting 2-hour session if you are only enrolling yourself for the CCIE course, any kind of CCIE course. I mean the CCIE routing switching, CCIE security, NBT, any kind of course. If you are enrolling yourself CCN and CCNP, then you are not going to get that kind of PD class, which is really salutary to all of us. Okay, so because in the PD class, whatever the technical knowledge you are going to get, it is some kind of thing that you can't compare with other institution, okay, in the India. And another thing I would like to tell you that each and every people always try to get something which is not in India and not in their country. But if you are enrolling yourself in Network Bulls, then you can proud from your side that lots of students who are outside of the India, like USA, UK, South Africa, Nigeria, they are coming over here from the abroad for this particular to get something from the Network Bulls. So it is some kind of you can say it is some kind of organization which can give you some kind of domain and prepare you as per the pragmatic nature of the organization. So you have to think about it. And another thing I would like to tell you regarding the communication and the interview, okay, because if you are enrolling yourself for the CCIE course, then the communication is really important, because over there you are going to get lots of things. I mean, how to communicate with the client, how to removing or how to get rid of your MTI from your communication. And another thing is that how to develop yourself, and this 2-hour session will help you out how to crack the interview. And Mr. Siddharth Paul is the one of the master trainer of the of Network Bulls, and he always helps lots of candidates how to crack the interview, how to communicate with the client, how to handle the client. And over there you are going to get resume writing and what are the things you have to maintain in the interview. It is really important, and how to develop yourself and how to improve your career and what is the achievement you have to set for your career. So I would like to tell you one thing, that in the Network Bulls, whatever I have got from the Network Bulls, it's really amazing. And over here I would like to say that when I came over here the first day, before enrolling myself, the management team was really cooperative, and they helped me to see and to visit their lab, and whatever the lab facility I am going to get, and it is really awesome. If someone is just trying to, they are not convincing you, they are just before taking any kind of payment or before enrolling yourself, they are just going to visit you that this is some kind of lab you are going to get, and this is 24/7 hours open. It is not like that. If you have enrolled yourself for the CCNA CCNP course, you are not going to get any kind of rack access or something. Okay, so it is really important that you have to, if you can practice on the rack or on the real device, then you in the organization, like in the practical domain, it would be helpful for you to work over there also. Okay, so I'm really happy for that, and before completion of my CCIE routing switching, I placed for NBT. So as per the NB, the careers will fly. So right now my career is flying, and I'm really happy for that. Thank you so much.